Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Nibbling with Netta. Today we're trying Smart Food Doritos cheese flavored popcorn. Let's see, do they taste like Doritos? Okay, let's see what they look like. They look real cheesy. Let's see what they hit like. Let me give them a little shake. Do they taste like Dorito cheese? No. But is they cheesy? Yes, but not a Dorito cheese. So I think you guys might should try them for yourself and you let me know what you think. Would I buy them again? Probably not. Thank you guys for watching Nibbling with Netta. If you have any suggestions of things I should try, leave it in a comment. Make sure you like, follow, and share.